If you want to preview your files inside of Google Drive, then Google Drive got you covered. So over here, I have an Illustrator file right here of the logo. If I were to double click on this, then it opens up a Lightbox Preview where I'm able to zoom in and then I can see different areas right here. So I can zoom in, zoom out. I can go over here, zoom in even further, and then use the scroll button right here, as you can see right here, to look around the file without even opening it up in its native application. I can also go up at the top and then connect apps to open it up with, or choose the existing apps to open that out. I can add in comment right here. So I can, since this is a picture, I can highlight an area and add in a comment right here. This stands for tutorial, just like this. And I can comment just like that. And you can see that this area has been commented. I can also print it out, or I can download it, or for more options, I can go over here and I have various options right here, as you can see. Let me just go back and work around with the video now. So there's a video file, and if I were to double click on the video is converted into into a native MP4 format that Google Drive supports, and then it plays it back just like this. So this is similar to YouTube Player, so you can just play this around and preview the file. You also have option to choose quality. So let's say you want to play it in 360p, you can simply go ahead and play that around in a lower quality, make it full screen, preview, and so forth. So besides that, you can also preview out documents. So here is a Word document. If I were to double click on this, you can see that it it says it cannot preview the file. That is because the Word document actually does not have anything. It's a new Word document just like that. So let's just go ahead into this one right here, new text document. There's nothing in the text as well. So it's just blank, as you can see, but it does a preview right there. But if we were to go over here and then preview out if you were to double click on the native Sheets file, it does not preview it out. It just directly opens it out in Google Sheets. And that is how you can preview out files. If you were to double click, and if you have a range of pictures, you can click on next to see another picture as well. So you can scroll through, that is, you can navigate through different files in the same folder as well, just like that. You can go around here and let's say, for example, go around into different places right here, and you can preview those out and then navigate around from within the Lightbox Preview, just like this. You go back, there's the video right there. You go back, there's the video, and you go over here, there's the Illustrator file, and so forth. And that is how you can use the Lightbox Preview to preview your files without opening them up in their native applications using Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.